Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fantastic gift idea for Mother's Day, birthdays, or any special occasion. We'll be reviewing the Mom Gift Set, which includes a beautifully crafted wooden cutting board, cooking utensils, and an apron. Let's see why this makes for such a thoughtful and practical gift for moms everywhere. This Mom Gift Set is designed to delight any mom who loves spending time in the kitchen. It's not just a cutting board, it's a complete kitchen ensemble that combines elegance with functionality. Perfect for baking, cooking, or simply adding a touch of charm to kitchen decor. A bamboo cutting board, crafted from 100% bamboo for durability and a natural look. 3 essential bamboo cooking utensils. A soup spoon, slotted spoon, and spatula, each engraved with heartwarming messages. A stylish black apron, designed for comfort with an adjustable neck strap and waterproof material. The cutting board itself is not just for cutting. It doubles as a serving tray with a decorative heart cutout. Ideal for presenting cakes, fruits, or appetizers at gatherings. It's designed to be both functional and visually appealing, making it a standout piece in any kitchen. Whether it's for Mother's Day, a birthday, or any occasion, this set is tailored to celebrate mom's love for cooking in her unique style. The engraved messages on the utensils add a personal touch that she'll appreciate every time she cooks. In conclusion, if you're looking for a heartfelt gift that combines practicality with beauty, this Mom Gift Set is a top contender. It's crafted with care, offers versatile functionality, and is sure to make any mom feel special. Plus, it's currently available at a great price on Amazon. Thank you for watching today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and gift ideas. Have a wonderful day, and until next time, happy gifting!